everybody, this is Jackie once again coming to you on my channel to share with you guys another great way of making money with no investment, and you can make unlimited income. Now this can actually be a passive income, guys, because you can grow based on anything that you do on here as well as others. So before we get started, guys, make sure you go and subscribe to this channel, like the videos, and comment below and let me know how you are liking my videos, guys. Let me know if you have any questions or need help with anything. I am always here and available to assist. Now, guys, I just really started promoting and really start putting new videos on here to share with you guys ways that, you know, to make money without having to put any money up, guys, because I know a lot of people look for that. So I am the person that's going to be sharing with you. So make sure, guys, and make sure you subscribe and stay tuned because we're about to go into another way. So alright, guys, you're still looking into this video. This is the app that I want to share with you guys, and it's called Inbox Dollars. I know a lot of people are like, oh, what is Inbox Dollars? I know a lot of people have made a lot of money with this. I actually cashed out a few times with this app, and I'm going to show you guys how fast you can actually make money with this, and people don't really understand. It's not just the surveys that you're doing, it's other things that you can do that can accumulate your money even faster so you can start cashing out. Okay, this app actually gives you opportunity to make money over and over and over again. This is a passive income, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys as of right now. So listen up. Now, they do have the main thing that people look at Inbox Dollars for is for the surveys. Okay, we see the surveys, guys. They paying you like 25 cents, 50 cents, 75, all the way up to like $1.75, $2. And sometimes they'll throw in a $5 survey, which probably would take a while because I think the last time I seen it, I think you were spending almost an hour on it. But these are surveys that you can do, you know, on your downtime that can help add money to your balance. A lot of these surveys, when people see this, they say, oh, I get disqualified. Yeah, they do disqualify you a lot with the surveys. But hey, you know what? Take that chance. You never know. You probably continue out through the whole survey and you can get that $1 or 50 cents or $2 into your account. But that's one of the things that you can do on here. But it's not the only thing you can do on here, guys. Okay? So at the top, you see it have the spin. Every time you are disqualified for a survey, they give you one free spin where you can earn cash, or you can earn a chance to do a scratch off. Okay, and once the scratch off, you can win win cash, just too. So basically the spin is just to help you to win. Okay, anytime you disqualify, they're always going to add a spin to your account. Now, another way of doing it is reading emails. Now, you can do it on here. You don't have to actually go to the email and open it up and say you read it. You can just go here and click on it. And a lot of these surveys, a lot of these emails, verified emails, are ways that you can make money quickly. These are free offers. Some are free offers, some you have to pay, but I'm going to share it with you guys very shortly. But you can just look at this, scroll down, and you can just press confirm paid email. And what would happen once you confirm it, as you see, my little line up here went up some more. And the more I keep going up, the more chance I have to scratch off and win big, okay? So every time you click on the email portion, you have a chance to scratch off on the scratch off part, okay? So on here, all it's asking you to do is just to complete this survey. Once you complete it to the end, they basically give you $5, okay? $5 will go into your account. Now, this is free. You don't have to purchase anything. Just complete the offer, okay? Or the survey, and then boom, you have $5 into your account. So the more you just go in here, if you just want to do the emails, you can just go in here and just confirm it. If you don't, you're not interested in this, just confirm it, and boom, it'll go up even more. And see, I don't want to go to that. It's going to go up even more. Because when confirm it's trying to take me to the Play Store, and I don't want to do the Play Store, so I'm going to skip that one. And see, it went up even more. And then you can just keep doing that. Go down here, confirm this paid email. and it go up anymore. Now I'm going to stop right here because I'm going to actually click on that line to take you to the scratch and win. Now, I am qualified to do the second one when I could win up to $25. All you have to do is go here and just scratch off, and you win money. I won 4 cents. Sometimes I win 10 cents. Sometimes at one time I won 50 cents, and the last time I won about like $5 from this. So that is definitely a good thing to do. That's one way of actually getting your money. But I'm going to show you, if you're still watching, guys, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Go ahead and like this video, guys, and comment below, okay? Make sure you do that so you can get notified. Hit that notification bell so you can get notified when I upload a new video. Now, pay attention because I'm about to show you the easiest way to earn money with this, where you can actually cash out today, okay? Now, stay tuned. Now, another way that you can do it is by doing the videos, guys. Watching videos and you're earning the same thing. View 12 videos, an article, rate the content, and earn 2 cents each. Keep watching to earn more. So the more you watch these videos, the more money you can earn in this. So I would just, if you have a laptop. Now, the best thing about this app that you can do this on your laptop and on your phone, and I would just let it run. If it's on my laptop, I just set it up and let the videos play and just, earn money that way. Or if you're not using your phone for a while, you can just let it run on your phone and just collect money that way. But that is one of the ways that you can make money to help you increase your earnings. But that's not the fastest way to do it. I'm going to show you guys the fastest way to really just get you going. So I know you guys been waiting, so let's go ahead and get to it. And it's the offers, baby. Let me tell you why. Now, I'm not saying all the offers are good. We see all offers. You see free offers, and you see app. Guys, we are going to go to the free offers, okay? The free offers is better, okay? You can do this and make money. Now, just from the Receipt Pal, downloading that one and basically snapping one receipt. Now, I know everybody have receipts lying around. You just snap one receipt, you earn 50 cents, okay? Uber e-delivery partner, just signing up with this company to be an Uber driver, either if you use it or not. Just sign up with this company. They will pay you $20 and they'll be added to your account, guys. Okay, now you can do and get a free towel, laundry detergent, and get paid $1.50. Just fill out the information and get that coupon, and they'll credit $1.50 to your account. Well, now, guys, all you have to do is just sign up for this company and make money, guys. You're going to make $2 with this one just for registering, putting in your information. Spin the wheel. Just download it. Look, I just promise to go into it so we can kind of see what it says. It says spin the wheel, click the link, and collect all possible points to earn your inbox dollar. Just collect all possible points to earn your reward. Just click on do that, and then you will earn that 25 cents. It's really that easy. We go back, guys. Shopper Voice. Basically, to qualify, you must submit a valid registration info to receive credit for this offer. So all you have to do is just put your information in, and you're going to receive 75 cents for that. Go down even more, even with Liberty Mutual. Okay, so to qualify with this one, to earn your inbox dollar reward, register using a valid information and complete the switch to Liberty Mutual. So if you are looking for insurance, or if you have certain kind of insurance, this insurance might be a little cheaper. Now you can go and get the quotes. And if it is cheaper, hey, I will switch, And when you switch, guess what? You get $50 credit to your account. And that's just amazing because you can cash out like that. So it's different things from here. And all these are free offers. You can do quizzes. Quizzes don't take long, 25 cents. Simple math quiz, 25 cents, and then Zippy loan, you just apply. If you get qualified for it, you get $15. You can do the apps. Some of these apps you have to reach a certain level, but some of them you just have to open and just register, and you get paid. Now, one of the things that I do like is the Stash. Stash, you probably have to, all you have to do is sign up using a valid information. Right now, they are giving you $30. And it's $30 the minimum to cash out. All you will have to do is earn your inbox dollar rewards when you link your bank account. So all you have to do is just create the account, link your bank account, and you're earning $30 that fast. And you can cash out. Even if you use the Stash app or not, you're making $30 that easy. So I would say this would be the one thing I'll do if you have never had Stash before, to go ahead and just apply for that and get that $30, y'all. DoorDash, they have all types of things on here, and just also using different prepaid cards. Download different prepaid cards that have it as well. You get paid. Now that is the easiest way, guys, for you to make money. Now you think I'm lying. I actually cashed out because of that. I was at like $15. I'm like, you know what? I just want to cash out. I just started doing these offers. They was credited to my account very quickly, and then I was able to cash out. And I have made good money with this. And guys, if you're looking for a way, like I said, it's not just the service on here. I mean, really take advantage of these offers. They really are paying you guys, and you're making money. Now, another way that you can make money real quick is by referring friends. Now, anybody that you refer, you know what I'm saying, they actually get, right now they're doing I think a $10 bonus. If they haven't changed it yet, it's usually $5, but I've seen lately that they're doing a $10 sign up bonus. So if you sign up, you can get $10, and if it's not $10, you're definitely getting $5. And once anything that your partner does, or anything that anybody does on this page, you get a percentage of it, and you make money as well. So say if you have 20 people that signed up, you basically get $1 for them signing up. And then anything they do, you get a percentage of it, guys, for life. So that's passive income. If they're steady going, a lot of times, the first time I did this, guys, I didn't really have to do much because I was working with people, and I was bringing people in, and they was doing the same thing, and my money was just growing on its own. And like, I make money from that, and I also make money from the offers that I do. So if you're interested in this, guys, and you're ready to get started, go ahead in the description, hit that link below. Go ahead and get that bonus prize just for signing up with my link and get started. Download the app. You can use this on your laptop as well and start making money. And like I said before, guys, this is Inbox Dollars, and it's very easy to make money with this. I would recommend you guys to get this, and always keep this handy because you can make money just from the offers, and also referring other people for free. No investment at all, $0. I just showed you guys. So make sure you go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my channel, guys, and hit that notification button so you can get notified when I upload a new video. So thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned because I will be sharing more great ways of making money. All right, guys, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.